Okay, Module 1, real quickly, let's go through these links so there isn't any confusion. If you are seeing this from your Moodle page, Module 1 is Physical Wellness and Fitness and Behavior Modification. So what we're trying to achieve with Module 1 is to get you thinking and brainstorming the differences between exercise and physical activity, as well as identifying that being healthy comes from several dimensions and not just one particular area. So the first PowerPoint, labeled Physical Fitness and Wellness, is going to tackle those two terms and define those. This will be a lot of good information that you'll also find questions with Module 1 quiz. So you could refer back to it if need be. Exercise Log 1, we've discussed how to upload that. That will be one of the assignments turned in. Critical thinking is in the form of a discussion forum, and this is how active are you. So I would like to get a sense of how active you are, not only in your day but in your week, how active you think you are. Sometimes people think that they get in a good amount of exercise until they actually have to start being held accountable for getting in exercise. Physical Activity Basics, this is a direct link to the CDC, which we'll use several times throughout the course of this class. It stands for the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. These are guidelines that just label how much physical activity do you need, and you'll notice there are several areas there. This class has many different ages and skill levels, so this may be a good reference for someone getting started. Before getting started in a structured exercise routine, we have a link here for a PAR-Q or ePAR-Med, and what that is, in the fitness field, we will use these surveys to give us an idea of where a person stands in terms of their medical history or any problems that may indicate that they need to seek out a doctor's advice before starting a new exercise routine. So this link from the Moodle page will take you to the PAR-Q survey. You will click on that link, which will bring you up into a new page, and at the bottom, take the PAR-Q survey now. There are 7 questions that evaluate your current health status, and if they, based on the survey, think you need further questioning regarding a particular issue, then it will take you directly into the ePAR-Med X. If it doesn't, you can always go back to the link and click on the ePAR-Med survey, and it will take you directly into that. And it also gives you a window at the end that says, hey, you're ready to start exercise, or you need to seek professional help before you embark on a new exercise journey. If you're the person that likes to have those handouts in your hand, there's a printable option for in a PDF format for the PAR-Q, so this may be something you would like to have. Again, a little more detailed, and just a physical activity readiness questionnaire that has been updated for the current year. As we move forward, there are 2 interactive maps with data and statistics about how much activity America is getting, and this may be helpful as you're navigating through some of this. And I also wanted to highlight an interactive map that you can reference that shows recent trends by county. So you see the cursor can go over Yadkin County, Surrey County, and you can click on those more specifically and see the indicators and limits down here at the bottom. So the number, so to speak, of individuals that are inactive, and this is the CDC's Division of Diabetes translation. Those links just open up from Moodle. A couple of cute little videos, and then another PowerPoint on behavior modification. I will do a separate video on the behavior modification assignment, as you'll see that in the gradebook. But for now, I would like for you to be brainstorming a behavior that you would like to change. Exercise log 2, you're a professional at this point, know how to upload that to be held accountable for your movement there. The second critical thinking forum is creating a SMART goal. As I click on this, you're going to see a graphic, is my goal SMART? So when we have students come by and they tell us they want to lose weight, or they want to improve nutrition, or they want to quit drinking soft drinks, we immediately use and implement this formula or acronym, and we take their goal and we dissect it. Is it specific? Can it be measured? Is it something that the student can actually attain in a semester? Is it relevant? And is it time-based? So can we put a time frame on it? You are going to do the same thing with this discussion forum, and I've given you an example. For now, we're just identifying the goal. Again, I will make another video that highlights exactly how that project is going to take place. A behavior change article, and you will have a module 1 quiz that will be due on Sunday. So make sure that you have those items completed before Sunday. Last, there is, and I won't play this for you, an old body weight video. For those of you, we've had a few to identify that they are working in and around their home for different exercise movements and routines, and that gives you a few ideas of some body weight exercises that you could perform within your own home. So I hope that video was informative, and that covers Module 1.